Why does your scanner show the P0464 engine code? What does it mean? P0464 is a diagnostic trouble code for fuel level sensor circuit intermittent. The P0464 engine code for indicate the Powertrain Control Module, or PCM, has detected that the electrical signal measuring the amount of fuel in your gas tank. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: corroded or damaged wiring, failed fuel level sensor, mechanically stuck float arm, poor electrical ground, faulty instrument cluster or ECM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996. And it is commonly found in vehicles like Nissan, Hyundai, Subaru, Chevrolet, and Ford. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.